Hi friends, yet again a mainboard IPO is coming to the market. In the month of June, investors witnessed 5 companies coming out with their initial public offer. All these companies were successfully subscribed by the investors. Now the market condition is an ideal one for the companies to raise funds. And now here comes an integrated road engineering, procurement and construction company with vast experience issuing shares in primary market. It is GR Infra Projects Limited. This video is on GR Infra Projects Limited. Before entering into this video, let me welcome you. I am your Sanil Perandotat. After watching this video, please like the video, share it to your friends, uh, post your comments, subscribe and press the bell button. Here you can find a media news with a very catchy headline, road paved with success. From building roads in villages, the Udaipur-based firm has become one of India's largest infrastructure companies. See the picture of the key person in the management and one of the promoters, Mr. Vinod Kumar Agarwal. GR Infra Projects is an integrated EPC company. That means integrated road engineering, procurement and construction. A company with experience in designing, constructing various roads and highways. They are having presence in 15 states in India. Recently diversified their projects into railway sector also. The main activity of the company can be broadly divided into three parts. First is civil construction activities, under which it provides EPC, that means engineering, procurements and construction services. Secondly, developments of road highways on a BOT basis. BOT means with the help of government, concessions, financial concessions, they are building it and operating it. After 20-30 profitable years, transferring the ownership to the government again. Uh, and annuity and hybrid annuity model. They are also adopting that. Hybrid annuity model means a 40% share of the government, and government is giving it in installments, annual installments to them. And then thirdly, manufacturing activities under which it process bitumen manufacture, thermoplastic road marking paints, electric poles, road signage, fabricate and galvanize metal crash barriers. The accessories of a national highway, paint, rolled thermoplastic road marking paint, electric poles, road signage, fabricate and galvanized metal crash barriers. These are the three major activities of this company. As we said, one of the major operations is civil construction companies, EPC and BOT projects in the road sector. It has since 2006 executed over 100 road construction programs till now. The company is having vast experience in constructing state and national highways, bridges, culverts, flyovers, airport runways, tunnels, railway overbridges. See some of the major clients list. The first one is National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. The second one is MORTH, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Then the third one is Central Public Works Department. That means they are partnering the central government in building the nation. See, now let's examine the objectives of this IPO. You know, this is an offer for sale IPO. That means no fresh shares are issued. Only the existing shareholders are selling some part of their existing shares. That is offer for sale. That means the company is not getting money from this. The shareholders are getting. Then why this IPO? the benefit of the IPO. We can see that general public are participating in this IPO means the more and more people are applying for the shares. Then the image of the company is increasing among the general public, and the investors are getting liquidity to their shares. They can easily buy and sell in secondary market. Unlisted company shares are not transacted in stock market, so it will be illiquid. In this case, the investors, even the existing shareholders are getting liquidity. Then in future plans and developments, they can raise funds easily from the secondary market. That is another benefit of listing. These are main advantage of listing in NSE and BSE. See the list of major promoters of this company: Mr. Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Ajendra Kumar Agarwal, Purushottam Agarwal, then Lokesh Builders Private Limited. It's a corporate partner. And then the pre-issue shareholding of the total partners is 88.04%. Here you can find a list of existing shareholders who are selling shares in this offer for sales. This list is actually published in a newspaper, Financial Express, on June 29th. Now you can see the financial performance of this company. Revenue in 2018, 3,335.6 crores, and 2019, 5,323.1 crores, and last year 6,421.1 crores, and in the current year so far it is 5,156.1. The expense is given in this line, you can see this, and comprehensive income is given here, and margins. See, last year it was margin percentage is 12.4 in 2020, and here the 2021, the current year so far it is 13.6%. The valuation of this company as of 2020 is also very healthy. Earning per share 82.43 rupees. EPS is not available. Return on net worth is 26.43%, and NAV is 311.86 per share. See the competitive strength of this company. We have already discussed this. They are very expert in building state and national highways, culverts, flyovers, airport runways, tunnels, railway overbridge, etc. Then strong project execution capabilities. Then healthy financial performance and track record of the company. Then the promoters and managers and employees are very experienced in their job. Okay, let's have a quick look at the Grill IPO. Subscription date is 7 to 9. The issue will close on 9th July. Price band is 828 to 837. That means the cutoff price is 837 rupees. There is no fresh issue, and offer for sale is 1 crore 15 lakh shares, and total IPO size is 963 crores. Minimum bid load. So you have to apply for 17 shares minimum. 17 shares means it will cost 14,229 rupees. Face value of a single share is 5 rupees. And retail allocation for retailers like us is 35%. 50% is for institutions and 15% for HNIs. So here is a peculiarity is that 2.25 lakhs shares are reserved for their employees. The employees will get a reservation of 2.25 lakh shares. And the shares, this share will list on both NSE and BSE. Have a quick look on the dates. IPO opening 7th July, closing 9th July, allotment 14th July, a refund 15th July, a transfer to demat account 16th July, and the listing is on 19th July. Friends, you can apply Grill shares online using either UPI or ASBA as payment method. ASBA IPO application is available in the net banking of your bank account. UPI IPO application is offered by brokers who don't offer banking services. Then you just contact your brokers. KFintech Private Limited is the registrar of this IPO, and lead managers are Equirus Capital Private Limited, HDFC Bank, ICICI Securities, Kotak Mahindra Capital, Motilal Oswal Investment, SBI Capital Market Limited. Friends, this is all about this IPO, the IPO of Grill. If you are interested and impressed on this video, please like it, share to your friends, and subscribe it. Then press bell button, and your comments are very important. We will see on the next video very soon. Bye.